Hey everybody, going with a different approach here to provide you some feedback on those final papers. First of all, I hope you enjoyed the opportunity to get to speak with a leader, hopefully on the IT side. Some of you did rev cycle management, which is also acceptable. There's clearly a lot of technology and complications there as well. For me, it's always fun to read these papers and get to see what leadership is struggling with, and hopefully you learn a lot from it as well, and get an opportunity to kind of see the pieces and parts connect. Across the board, great job. Saw some really nice stuff going on in the papers. A couple of things I've mentioned throughout the semester I wanted to bring up yet again. Especially with these interviews, guys, direct quotes are your friends here, and think about, articles that you read and headlines about, mergers that are going on. You'll see, according to CEO X, and then you see a direct quote. So again, always very powerful. Also, again, when you're talking about that impact, get specific, get those sources in there that are actually giving quantitative data points. The qualitative is nice, and there certainly is a place for it, but you got to get that quantitative measure in there. It's easier to relate to, but then more importantly, it adds credibility to that argument. Okay, so definitely be sure you get that in there. And then also, a couple of you, be sure you cite those personal communications correctly. Okay, it is considered when you do an interview where it was a face-to-face, or you're getting some type of oral audio dialogue, it does need to be cited as a personal communication. So be sure you get that in there, cited correctly. And again, if you need help with that, reach out to me. I'm happy to send you a resource again. So overall, great job. It was a pleasure having you guys in class. I certainly wish you all the very best as you move forward, and hopefully you picked up some valuable pieces from this class, and take care.